Hey there, designers and brand owners. Are you looking for high-quality mock-ups to showcase your designs? Well, you're in luck because we're giving away over 200 plus custom mock-ups for free. This mock-up pack includes everything you need from hoodies and their various styles, to t-shirts in different types, pants, and so much more. Whether you're working on streetwear, activewear, or casual looks, we've got you covered. And the best part, you don't have to spend a single penny. All you have to do is drop a comment below with the words Mockup Pack, and we'll send you a link to download your free mockups right away. Plus, if you're in need of a reliable manufacturer for your streetwear brand, look no further than Custom Clothiers Official. DM us on Instagram at Custom Clothiers for all your manufacturing needs. So, if you're ready to take your designs to the next level with professional mockups, comment Mockup Pack and let's get started.